Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinutrek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Bane Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
President ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri Ulaong, bau MLA Barim ke Mausen Ram uba Himalaya Shangpliang, uba Deiru Unong Aiktin jong ke BJP. Ulapan tiket banyak hun ke election MP Lok Sabha nakaseng BJP. Uba Ernest Ulaong bakindan ne laingut kiba pan tiket hendak ke parti kan sasyim mekarai halor kani.
Is too early to decide now. So we will see, because there are 2-3 aspirants. They want to contest the Lok Sabha election. So the party will decide in the due course of time. No, till today officially we don't have any name. But yes, of course, Himalayan Shangpliang, the spokesperson and the ex-MLA, is willing to contest. But that decision will be taken by the central leadership.